Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Martha and today I am going to get to work on that other DIY craft for my other grandchild that I talked to you about last week. It's gonna be a countdown to Christmas. And so I am super excited. I hope it comes out really cute. First of all, I want to welcome my new subscribers. I'm so happy that you decided to join. And I want to welcome back my previous subscribers. And if you are just stumbling across my channel for the first time, well, I hope that you consider subscribing as well. I would love to have you be a part of my channel. And so I have started, as you can see, with that little tree I have on that table, doing a little bit of Christmas decorating. I still have a lot to go. I have another little tree right there. And I still have yet to put up my big tree. So when I'm done, maybe I'll make a video on my Christmas decor. I have a very humble home. It's nothing fancy or anything like that, but I would love to share my Christmas decor with you. So I hope that you will join me for that. And for maybe I'll have a couple of recipes for the upcoming holidays. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are all doing well, and I'm excited to start this countdown to Christmas for my grandchild. So thank you. Let's get started with this DIY. I hope to see you next time. Mwah! You take care. Bye. For this craft, I'm going to be using a gift bag. Everything is from Dollar Tree. I bought these 3 pretty garden stakes. I'm probably gonna end up using 2. I found this beautiful garland with different color beads. I'm using some ornament hooks. I also bought these round wooden beads in Christmas colors. And I'm gonna be using a little bit more of the pom-pom trim and 2 square wooden decor, all from Dollar Tree. This is going to be a countdown to Christmas craft. So I am going to be numbering these beads from 1 to 24 for the 24 days before Christmas. And I'm going to use a permanent marker. Then I'm going to use these 2 wooden square decors from Crafter's Square. And I bought 2 of them because I'm going to glue them together. But first I'm going to paint it with this white paint. After I paint the board and it's drying, I'm going to cut out the part of the gift bag that I'm going to use for the decor. So this is dry, and I'm going to hot glue it to the other one just like it, just so that it's a little bit thicker. I found this beaded garland, and let's see if it's long enough to go around the entire square. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm going to hot glue the beaded garland all around the border of the wooden decor. Okay, so the trim is all around the board, the garland is, and I think that's so pretty. Now it's time to work with the garden stakes, and I need to break off the stake off of these super pretty Christmas trees. It was a little bit hard, but it worked out. And then after that, I am going to take a piece of decor that I cut off from the gift bag, and I'm going to be hot gluing some craft sticks to the back of the paper cutting that I did, so that it's firmer and easier to work with, and so that it glues easier onto the wooden board. I'm gonna use some Christmas ornament hooks that I got at the dollar store. I pressed the hook in the bottom, and I'm putting a little bit of glue right through there, some hot glue, to let it go through the little hole. I'm going to stick the hook in there, and it's a little bit tight to put it in, and that's exactly what I want, like that. See? Then I put a little bit more glue on the top to secure the hook in there. And I'm gonna let it dry. And I'm going to do that to all the little numbers that I made. This is 13. I made 24 of them, one for each day until Christmas. So here's the hook. This is the way they come. And I press in one of the sides like that. Then put the glue in there. I put the hook in there after so that the number shows. So I want to make sure I put the hook in the right position. And then I'm going to add a little more hot glue on top of that. When I'm done with all these numbers, I'll come back. See? Number 13. I have cut a piece of the pom-pom trim with 12 pom-poms. I'm gonna hot glue that right there. And I cut a second piece of the pom-pom trim with 12 more. That's 24. I am going to hot glue it here on top. I'm using a craft stick to press down on it. Otherwise, you are going to burn your finger, as I have so many times. And that's what that looks like. And I'm going to hot glue the next one under it, giving it a little bit of space in between. I'm going to glue the Christmas trees. I'm going to use some craft sticks to do that. Now put the other. I think that's where I'm going to place this one, right at the edge. Place it right there. So bright and colorful, isn't it? Place this one a little bit higher up because Santa is going to go right around here. I decided to add another layer of craft sticks to the back of the paper cutout because I need that to be a little bit higher up. So I'm going to glue the Santa now. It's almost like it was 3D because you're lifting it off the board. And that's how it's looking so far. I think it's really cute. So I've cut 3 little pieces of the mop head. I still have more of it that I used for my last craft. And I'm going to put some in the bottom here, like that. I found this little box a long time ago. I don't remember if it was at the dollar store. It could have been, but it has exactly 24 little squares, which is perfect for the little balls that I made with the numbers, just to go right over the little pom-pom. That's 12, 13, 14, 15 will go right there. I feel I should bring up the pom-poms and glue them to the border so that they're not hanging and the little hooks hang better. So I'm just gonna add a little hot glue to the border where the pom-pom is, and then push it back and hold it in place until it dries, like that. This way it will hook a lot better than it was just dangling down. And this is what they're looking like, see? So I'm gonna do that to all the pom-poms. And so all the 24 little wooden ornaments, I would say, with the 24 days are in this box. I think it's perfect. So I'm thinking of adding some green glitter to the green tree, a little bit of this red violet to the red tree, and some of this silver just around, like if it was snow falling. So I'm using a little Mod Podge to mix it with the glitter, which I bought at the Dollar Tree. Ooh, oh my goodness. Poured too much. Let's do the green first. Now I'm going to add the red. I'm doing the silver now. Just here and there. And here it is, my friends, a completed countdown to Christmas decor. And I hope that my grandchild really likes it. I think it's so pretty and colorful and whimsical and sparkly, and it's a homemade piece. Obviously, you could tell by the numbers, and you're gonna see the numbers hanging on the countdown to Christmas board in just a minute. But here it is. I think the colors are beautiful, and look at that Santa, so sparkly and bright. And you know, I think my grandchild is gonna have so much fun just counting down and putting the ornaments one at a time. Here they are, hanging them to the little pom-poms. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you like it. And as always, I hope that you make something beautiful for your home this Christmas. All Dollar Tree items, very inexpensive, yet very beautiful. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.